Reason 3. The rise of anarchism in the age of information. From Bitcoin and blockchain's technological attributes such as decentralization, peer-to-peer network, it's easy to detect a sense of anarchism. Indeed, in the age of information, anarchism comes in a technological way. The anarchist movement, which opposes any government, began around 1880s and followed a slow growth path, according to a search for anarchist or anarchism on Google Grams. But the term itself dates back decades earlier to the work of philosopher P.L. Joseph Proudhon and others. As Professor Robert Shiller concludes, the Bitcoin story is especially relevant because it provides a counter-narrative to the elder anti-anarchist narratives depicting anarchists as bomb-throwing lunatics whose vision for the society can lead only to chaos and violence. Bitcoin is a contagious counter-narrative because it exemplifies the impressive invention that a free, anarchist society would finally develop. From tech cultural perspective, such anarchism beliefs have become one of significant trends in hacker ethics and played an implacable role in Bitcoin invention and its epidemic, compared to other tech inventions in human history. In other words, the term hacker ethic is another modern embodiment of such anarchism. By delving to hacker ethic, you will find it comes along with the invention of computers, and its history can stem back to more than half a century ago. The hacker ethic, first articulated in 1950s among the famous MIT students who developed the multiple access user systems, is libertarian and proto-anarchist in its right-to-know principles and its advocacy of decentralized technology. In the 2021 book, The Hacker Ethic and the Spirit of Information Age, Pekka Hämänen wrote about the ethic of the passionate programmers. In the internet age, people's willingness and ability to work together with a new technology, the new frameworks that do not rely on government, on conventional profit. See, Bitcoin is a power of technology like many others in history. During its first phase, have been successfully making up a better virtual world in people's mind. So far, Bitcoin has brought about a historical financial and technological revolution, an immature though. In less than over 10 years, cryptocurrencies have developed many other types, with all kinds of underlying risks and flaws. Whether it will finally succeed as its invention wish or not, only time knows, but its contagion does reveal both a thought-provoking economic narrative and an interesting glimpse on our human nature.